So anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I thought I would show you how to make this super cute bookmark. Sorry about this super cute bookmark, which I think it turned out pretty cute. So yeah, continue watching if you want to see how I actually made this. Yeah, let's get on. And here, well, you can see here I sort of marked out the bookmarks around. Now let's read this by this. Then I'm just gonna close. Okay. Okay. I don't know, because I don't like the lines that it gives. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. I just want to put like Ruchi. Oops. I'm trying. It's fine. I don't want. Just a book arrow. I think that'll be cute. Is it E? Yeah. I know it's kind of like edgy, but it looks cool. And I'm gonna put some. I wanted to make it like cute so I can use it in the book. The more the merrier. I just love doing these fun projects. I feel like I should use purple. The last one, I don't know what happened. Remember when I made a bookmark? So, this actually I might end up posting today. I made so many videos, but it felt like I didn't put any work in it. I felt like it was just there. I felt like this actually worked so well, and maybe we can just put a little leaves. I wanted to make it simple. Very, very simple. Just for the purple, I'm just gonna do this. I know it's not perfect, but it's pretty cute. Obviously, it's so myself. And then let's do this a little color. We will add the yellow in the middle of the flowers soon. I just thought this would be like a cute idea I'll actually show you in a book. I actually have started reading books again, which is fun. Let's color this. It's very simple because usually my book posts are very complex. I think I've made so many. I think because of I can't really see what's inside of it, I'm gonna add this black outline pen here. I really like it because it's very thin. It's not too thick that is like in your face, but it's like subtle. It helps bring it to life. This is from Sharpie, so it does a great job of doing. Oops, that E doesn't look good, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I might have to like go over it with this. I think it does a good job with it. I feel like what was the problem is that it wasn't that big of the bubble letters here, so it was really hard. But it's not perfect, but what is perfect? Instead of yellow, I just want to use an orange. Here. It works phenomenal. I think I just had to like let the flowers dry and stuff. And then this is a super cute bookmark. It feels like it needs a background color, so I'm just gonna add orange. It doesn't ruin it, it just gives it a coat of color. I'm gonna slightly do it on the flowers because I just want it to like blend in with the background. And maybe to create more bookmarks like this, because it's so satisfying. I've actually been doing cross stitching, so I'm hoping that I can create a cross stitch like bookmark and stuff. I think that would be really cute. If you want to see a video of that, please make sure to comment down below. And if you have any ideas and stuff, you can just leave it in the community post. Now in my community post, you can actually put your art so I can see it, which would be kind of cool because I really want to see other people try to replicate like this bookmark here. It's really cute and fun, and now I'm just gonna add my signature at the bottom. It just doesn't feel complete without my signature bookmarks there. I think this needs a little bit inside. And yeah, that's a bookmark. This is what I'm reading, but you can see here this is the book that I'm reading. It looks pretty cute. Yes, you can't really see it, but like when you open it up, you're like, this is so cute, and I think that everyone should create a cute bookmark so you can put it in your book. So yeah, this is my bookmark. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and make sure to comment down below what you want me to see next. I think I lost. So yeah, that is it. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys later.